Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to solve math problems using Gemini. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, if you have a complex math problem, you can basically use Gemini to resolve that. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up Samsung Notes. Now here we can go ahead and create a new note. So here I'll go ahead and create an equation which I want Gemini to resolve. So this is the math problem which I want Gemini to resolve. So in order to do this, I'll go ahead and activate Gemini by holding this side button. Now I can go ahead and ask about the screen. So I can go ahead and tap on that. Now I can go ahead and send that off. This will now try to resolve the math problem which I have here. So as you can see, the image shows a handwritten linear equation 2x plus 4 equals 8. Solve it. And as you can see, the solution to the equation is x is equal to 2. So this is like having a 24/7 personal math tutor in your pocket. Students can learn the process, professionals can check calculations quickly, and anyone can solve the problems without opening a calculator or a math app. So there you go, guys. That is how to use Gemini to solve any math problems you have on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.